How's it going, everyone? It is Reversal Trader King, where I catch bottoms and tops in the stock market, and I have to talk about this ticker, MSTR, MicroStrategy, and I just want to give you guys kind of my analysis, my price prediction. Where do I see this is going according to my system that I have developed for over 6 years, back tested it, and make consistent money every month by month. And it's a good strategy, and I wanted you guys to be aware of where I see this is going. And also, if you stay tuned towards the end, or you love this video, do keep in mind there is a premium Discord that I offer of only $6 a month, and it's probably one of the best investments of your life for the content I give you guys every day. And I have trade alerts and a setup video of how to get your chart to look like this. But let's get right into what you guys want to see. You guys came here to see MSTR. Is this thing ever going to go down? I'm going to show you guys a weekly chart. All right, so keep in mind the top band is a sell zone, the bottom is a buy zone, and the middle band is your most important. So also, you do not get in right away if it goes above the top band. There are some strict rules I have. The middle band is where price has to correct to. So if you go into larger time frames, it takes longer. But let's say you go into a 15-minute time frame. You see how price is always magneted to this thing. It goes up to this red band, and then a short term, if you were a day trader, you would short this, and it goes down to this blue band. So on the weekly, it's going to take a while. As you can see, the last time price did this, it had a big upper wick rate in here, and it got shorted down to this blue band, looking very similar, might I say. Let's go to the daily. The daily is the most important. You want to make sure the weekly the weekly is over and the daily is over both together. So you want to see a daily top that is clearly over, like this candle, and you could take this trade for a nice gain right here. The next day it was down 21%. Trade is done. And then it goes back over. Right in here was another trade. It went way above, and then from a high of 1657 it went all the way down to 1456. Right now there is no day trade, but we're looking for a candle to be back over. The weekly's already over, so this is looking like a solid setup for more put plays, just like on this day on 304 and then 311. So now let me show you. Remember, the middle band is always getting touched. This is how scary this trade is, if anyone is actually buying this. And I just want to give you guys my input, as this has worked to a T over and over and works in any market. So I want to show you guys like some buying points. Right in here, price gets kind of close. You get this gap right here. Price conforms and reflects, and it corrects to this gap right in here, hits that blue band. Same scenario right in here. Price goes under our band, was a perfect buy signal, and then it hits the blue band right in here, making massive gains right in here, because right here you have a gap. Price did not touch the blue band for some time. And so when price doesn't touch the blue band and price is under the bottom band, price starts to work its way up. This first candle alone will give us 20%, and then, just keeps on going up from there. So I'm just showing you little buy signals right in here. It goes up and touches this blue band because the last touch was right in here. And you're probably thinking, well, how do you know when it's going to touch? Well, based on mathematics, according to this strat, if you look, around 1 month to 2 months is where it takes a long time. But if it takes a long time, then price rushes towards that middle band. The algorithms goes in and goes to buy signals, right? So right in here is 1227. Right in here is 207. So a little over a month. Price did not hit this blue band for so long. And then we have a nice buy entry right here with time distance. And this is where you would take the trade. So according to this, obviously we're in a squeeze pattern because we're way above our ATR levels, but you can still make massive money on this. Because right here, we have a clear touch of the middle band at 208. So, and then, so we got to fill this in, guys, right? The market makers have to get a candle to fill this in to make it not look, weird. It's like a painting, you go up and down. We went up so far up, now we got to correct. And that is where we're at. So we're at 208. Keep this in mind, 208. And we're at 312. So we are a little over a month time frame of not touching the middle band. And that's not bizarre. It takes 1 month to 2 months before we start seeing a touch of the middle band. 1 month to 2 months. So we have 208. We're looking for a 3, and it's 312. And we're getting signals of a weekly above and a daily getting very close above. The minute this daily gets above into the 1600 range, we would look for puts and safe puts, maybe a month out, because you don't want to ever predict a daily's action. But as you can say, if you listen to this a T, right in here you have a nice put signal. Right in here was a nice put signal when it went above. And that's what I'm thinking. So this is a very scary trade for the bulls because based on mathematics, how it's always going in waves, price goes above. We're always filling this middle band. Price goes above here. We have this gap of not hitting this middle band. Price goes down and hit it. I can show this chart after chart after chart. I caught the top in NVIDIA, the top on SMCI, and when I say top, I'm saying like big, nice corrections, like this one right here, this candle right here, where you can make tons of money. But then when it gets too far off of not hitting this middle band, then you can wait for prices, hold on a position till this hits this middle band to make the big money, right? But I really like this trade for puts. This is a phenomenal trade. I can see this really hitting. You guys can watch this video probably, a couple days from now, a week from now, and you'll be like, wow, this is actually doing it to a T. But yes, that is my analogy. This is how the system works. I've been doing this for over 6 years. It is a great system because you know where to buy, you know where to sell, and you know where price will go back to. If you guys enjoyed this video, do keep in mind, I do have a premium Discord of only $6 a month. It is the cheapest in the market because I know, one, not everybody has massive accounts. So if you have big fees, then it's hard to be a trader because trading is hard already. And with only $6 a month, with a $100 account, we can get that $100 and compound it 100% each month and just keep growing it from there is how you do it, right? So it's $6 a month. You get my exact trade alerts where I put in great detail analysis, and you can see exactly when I buy in, exactly when I exit, and then you get a setup video. I have some education in here, but the main one is how to set up your chart just like this, and I go in a more in-depth video of like over 30 minutes of how to correlate this, because I didn't even talk about KDJ, which is a very important. I gave you kind of one of the basic formats of my strategy that no one has, by the way. I've took many years to figure this out on because I love reversals, and if you're watching this, you're probably looking for the top, so I know you're enjoying this video. If you guys want to join it, go down to the YouTube comments below, and it'll be in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for the best trades, and when you click on it, that link, it'll take you to this free chat, which is the landing page. If you're new to Discord, all you have to do is go onto the subscriptions, which I'm pointing over here, and hit premium chat, and then it will look like this, and it will opt you in to subscribe. You pay the $6 a month, and you unlock all these channels, and you're gonna make some money. Okay, guys. We have a win ratio of over 90%. We would be 100%, but I did take a trade, and I got stopped out, and then it went up. It's just my luck. But these trades are high value trades, and you're gonna love these trades on how we find reversals, and you won't be disappointed for only $6 a month, guys. And also, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, comment to me what you think about MSTR. Let me know your thoughts. I'm obviously thinking I'm going to get a reversal when it's above this band. This band is going to correct daily, so you're going to want to be in the Discord, but I can definitely see this correcting very soon for a nice, massive dump, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the Discord, and peace out.